So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally the July games are live, so I'm showing you how you have to join it. First of all, click on start. You will be redirected to the Cloud Skills Boost platform. Basically, make sure you are signed in, and in case you don't know how to create an account, I will make a video and share the video link soon. So just sign in with your Qwiklabs account. Now here, just enter the access code. Where you'll find the access code, it's just below the game. You can see here. Now just join the run ready game. Here I will show you how you have to join the game like this. Okay, paste the code, join it. Similarly, again paste the code, join it. You have to join all the games. Okay, now it's time for trivia. And no need to worry about the solutions. I will prepare the sheet and update it. Also, I have uploaded the Basecamp solution just now, so you can check it out. So just join all the games. Now let's redirect to the channel. Let me show you. First of all, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe it. And now you can see Basecamp July games are already live. You need to just complete all the games and you'll be rewarded. So that's all for today. Stay tuned. Like the